Hi you guys, and welcome back to the Crème Kitchen. Today we're gonna do an Italian classic. It's called Tuscan chicken. What is Tuscan chicken? It's got some really great simple ingredients, which is what the Italians like to do. And there's a few different ways to do it, but I'm gonna show you my way today. So let's get started. I'm going to start by getting my cast iron skillet on like medium to medium high heat. We are working with the blue oven because actually it's a lot cleaner down here than in our main kitchen, and I solely blame Maya and Lucas. Anyway, while this gets started, I'm going to put a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of olive oil in it, and I'm going to slice my chicken breasts horizontally. I do like to do this when they're partially frozen. Doing them partially frozen makes this part so much easier. Beautiful. They don't have to look perfect because, again, this is a rustic Italian dish. We don't care. A little bit of kosher salt and freshly cracked black pepper on each side. All right, I think the cast iron skillet is ready. Let's get this chicken in there and get it cooking. We want it just lightly browned on each side. While our chicken is getting golden brown on each side, I'm gonna get the garlic and the sun-dried tomatoes prepared. We're gonna use about a quarter to a third of a cup of sun-dried tomatoes, and I'm gonna chop them, and I get the kind in oil, don't get the dried kind. And then also, I'm gonna grate 2 really large cloves of garlic. This dish comes together so quick and easy, and it's so elegant. It's like the best combination, right? Okay, gorgeous. It's got a really nice light golden brown edge to it. Again, you're not looking to have this cooked all the way. Having it finished in that sauce is going to make it the most tender chicken ever. Chicken's ready, light golden brown on each side. I'm going to get it on my cutting. I think we need one more dog. Maybe 2. Okay, here we go. Beautiful. To our hot pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, about another tablespoon of olive oil to that. And that is when we add our garlic and sun-dried tomato. While that caramelizes a little bit, we're gonna wait till we smell the garlic become fragrant, which is gonna take about a minute or 2. I'm gonna add just about a tablespoon, a nice generous squeeze of tomato paste. This is just gonna add another layer of really great flavor to the dish. Guys, it smells fantastic in here. I can smell the garlic. To that, 1/3 cup Pinot Grigio. And that, my friends, is when we turn it down to low. It's gonna reduce really quickly, all right? So we're gonna add our half and half and our heavy cream. It's a very light dish, right? A cup of half and half and a cup of heavy cream. I'm just gonna take my spatula and stir it around. Now we're gonna let this reduce for about 5 to 10 minutes. We've let our sauce reduce. It looks amazing. Ava, do you want to get a good shot of the sauce? It's gotten so nice and thick and creamy. I can almost taste it. It smells so good in here right now. We need to season it up a bit. I'm going to add a teaspoon of basil to that. And after the teaspoon of basil, I'm going to add about 4 ounces or about a half a cup grated fresh Parmesan cheese. Did you ever see that episode of Everybody Loves Raymond? Yeah. She grates Parmesan cheese. It really is worth it to grate your own cheese. Trust me. Okay, let's see where we're at. Oh my gosh, I was grating so hard I broke the grater. Well, we'll just put that to the side. In goes our Parmesan cheese. Get everything in there. Last but not least, before we add our chicken back in, we gotta add our fresh spinach. I'm gonna add 3 to 4 ounces. You could add the whole bag if you wanted. It shrinks down so much. So you wanna make sure you get a really good amount in there. We're gonna stir that up and then we're gonna add our chicken. This is now when we add our chicken back in and any juices that have accumulated on your cutting board or tray. So now all we have to do is let the chicken simmer in the sauce for another 10 to 12 minutes or so. Make sure it's cooked through. All those flavors are gonna come together with this chicken. It's gonna be outstanding. All right, it's simmered. It is cooked through, nice and tender. I added a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. So now it's time to serve. A dish like this, especially in a cast iron, I love to serve family style. And remember, options are endless for whatever you want to serve this with. This is so beautiful. Remember, if it's in a cast iron, it's gonna be really hot, but look how gorgeous. Remember how we added some basil for flavor, a nice like Italian flavoring? I've got gorgeous basil in my garden. We have to garnish with it, right? I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Voila, or as they say in Italy, mangia, that's what it is. As they say in Italy, mangia. So, that being said, my little Misty Poo over here, who made my kitchen a mess, because remember she's 15, get over here. Cheers. Cheers and blow. Oh man, there. Cheers. Well, what do you think?
It's really good.
Ava? Super easy, came together really quick. Again, Tuscan chicken, you're supposed to use great ingredients and it is supposed to be simple, right? Great fresh ingredients, you get something like this. Serve it family style. Your family, your friends will love it. So, once again, I'd like to thank you for being in our kitchen. These two thank you as well, right? Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you make this, send photos. Until next time, we will see you in our kitchen.